Glad to have you in my family. Emoji, 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 emoji. Mrs. Marie, Ali left me and we are getting a divorce. I'm sorry to be.
Oh man, that's just sad.
Oh God.
Ladies and gents, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Radio One Reacts. My name is K, and with me is Garibo ka
Naruto.
anime. Oh,
Yeah.
Garibo
My name
ka
is
anime.
Naruto. Yeah. I'm a. God damn, I can't do this.
That's
Anyway.
Aniket. Guys, what we do basically here is we react to weird things on the internet. Aniket, what are we reacting to today?
Today we're reacting to old people on the internet.
So basically
Okay.
ourselves. Okay.
Ourselves. And also the fun thing is that I have actually never really experienced this subreddit by myself. So we're both gonna experience the same things, right?
Right.
Also, this is also something that is new for me. So
Let's go.
Let's go, baby doll. Let's go. So this Reddit is called Cracker Boggle. I don't know what.
All people are cute, dude, on the internet. I have to admit.
Yeah, no. Okay. So you want a lifetime supply of the last thing you ate. What is that? Me banana.
Bowl of
Bowl
white
of-
soup. Like I said, all people are cute.
Glad to have you in my family. Emoji, 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 emoji. Mrs. Marie, Ali left me and we are getting a divorce. I'm sorry to be.
Oh man, that's just sad.
Oh God. Oh, she said. Oh, she put it on someone else. Oh, she put it on someone's wall.
Man, see, this is why old people are cute. Full genuine. This is very genuine.
This is Mary. Okay, prayers. Prayers, please, for my brother whom is in the hospital with COVID pneumonia. With a celebration post in the background.
And a cake and a heart and a. Oh man, that's a prayer. I think that's a party. That's more. It's like you're partying because the
Prayer
guy is in
party.
hospital.
You can have a prayer party.
Yeah. Nice.
All right.
Okay. You sent me a pic you took of a frog, and now I can't find it. Help.
I need more context to this.
I really need more context to this too.
Where is the context?
It's like, here's the funny thing. I think with old people, right, they just write what comes in their mind. You can't blame them, right?
Where are my acidity medications? Facebook help.
Aniket, you're going to be so horrible when you grow old, I'm telling you. Next.
Okay.
My second grade teacher is so wholesome.
Yeah,
Recycling
at its best. Mouse. Free hammocks all over town. It's like a miracle. Trash for some, treasure for others. It's
Those are
very
masks, by the way. Those are masks.
Yeah, that's a very cool boomer humor.
Yeah.
But
This spreads. This is a older person sharing awareness. You should think about it like that. They're like, don't litter your mask because then the rats go and then they use that. So, on that note, yeah. Thank you, older person. We appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay, please replace my photo that you just removed from my home screen app. They were pictures that cannot be replaced. A lot of them were of my deceased parrots, and one just died January 2nd. Please give him back. My photo app on my home screen. I've been through this before. Google taking my photos. I will not let Google to give them back to me. Please, I'm very saddened and heartbroken. Oh, so she just kind of deleted the gallery app.
No, I'll tell you what happened. She didn't delete the gallery app. She said the gallery, the Google Photos app was on the home screen, so she just basically removed it off the home screen.
Yeah, that's right.
And that's one. And then number two is that her wallpaper got reset. She was really upset. So that's basically, like you said, like you can see above there. It's a forum about Android camera settings.
Yeah. And are we Android users?
I am.
Google Pixel.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we are. Yeah.
No, I'm OnePlus 7, please. I don't have money for Google.
Thank God
Okay.
none of us are iPhone users anyways. Don't ever buy anything from a Dash.
Blank. He's a big time scammer. Took $300 from me for a sectional and never deserved it. Also Dash, PayPal.
That's his ID.
Why are old people using the same birthday celebration
I think
thing.
Facebook needs to recreate their create emojis where they. I think this must be a standard one. On that note, Aniket, if you make fun of them, Karma's going to come and bite you in the ass. Not just Karma. Please zoom in, editor, on the 96 Karma.
Because of you, I've stopped going on Reddit and spending my time there. Okay. My karma hasn't increased from 96. In the last 5 episodes, I haven't increased my karma. Okay. Little
Sorry.
bitch.
Now
Yeah.
you're making fun of old people. Your karma is not going to increase. Sorry.
I would like my internet back on, please. That is literally every Middle Eastern and North Korean telling their government, please.
Wow, it's a very dark joke. I had an Indian version of that joke, but if I say it, this video will get blocked. Can't say it.
No, we'll get blocked, bro.
We'll get blocked. Can't say it.
We'll get blocked.
Let's just
Yeah.
move on. On that note,
Internet. Okay.
What do you want to discuss? Internet.
Internet.
Nice.
Looks. Someone like looks great.
Oh my god, that was great. What's this?
Jumanji! Yay!
With crackers?
I mean, why not? Why
Yeah,
not?
why not? Why
Yeah.
not? Why not?
Bet
You
you.
don't have the balls to say boys should not compete in girls' sports. This is Caron. Boys should not compete in. Oh my god.
Get
That was
on!
good. Caron, good job.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this? Not Facebook, but stunning Google review for our local Burger King. Fast and fresh. Great deal. They didn't have a crown to fit on my head though.
This uncle.
He's reviewed it, but he sent pictures. Oh my god, of like his own house, I think.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah. My grandma decided that she'd post pictures of her smiling every day. My smile of the day. Okay, we should do this, man.
We should
I think
post
we
pictures
should
of us
do
smiling.
this.
Yeah. Post pictures of us smiling.
Yeah.
Grandma has a nice smile. Very nice smile.
Actually, no teeth gap. See?
Yeah. It's filled up.
Very cool. Yeah,
Very
very
nice.
cool. Okay. Okay.
Hey!
Yay!
Old people like me.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay. Mom was having a hot moment in December lol. What vegetables?
Okay,
what?
Inside Wusifia. Mom, what?
Mom.
Wusifia? In case this. In quesadillas, lol.
Oh,
was
quesadillas.
just-
Oh, damn, she's saying quesadillas.
The question was what
father-
vegetables were there in quesadillas? Oh god.
Dude, I'm telling you, my father can't text for shit, okay? That's why I just pick up the phone and give him a call. I have never understood a single message that my dad has sent.
Oh man.
Never.
Let's do one last one and then cry about our lives. Let's go.
Yeah. I do. I got gastro.
I have gastro too. Uncle, don't feel alone. We all have gastro. We are gastro buddies.
We're farty boys.
On that note, Aniket. Oh man.
Oh, okay.
Aniket.
If you fart, your ears become hot. Do you know that?
No.
Yeah, seriously, your ears become hot if you fart. I'm not even kidding.
Thank you for that fun fact which adds no
Check.
value to my life
Check,
whatsoever.
Check.
Ice cold.
It's hot as hell. I can see it. I can see the fumes coming out. Liar.
Aniket, on that
brown
note,
fire.
thank you for a wonderful another episode of Radio 1 Reacts. Boys and girls, what have you learned on this episode of Radio 1 Reacts? It's one thing that if you
Never
fart,
trust Aniket. Oh, what?
if you fart, your ears become hot. So check your ears
Yeah.
right now.
Check.
Ice cold. Aniket, those are damn hot.
Hot as hell.
I swear I'm never coming to that studio ever again.
It's a hot box. I am Wiz Khalifa. Anyway, we'll see you soon, guys. Thank you so much. Put it in the comments. What do you want us to react to? And who do you want to see the next guest as? It could be Sharma Ji. It could be Erica. It could be
be
Kusha Kapila.
Annie.
It could be
It
Shah
could be
Rukh Khan.
Blase. It could
It could
be.
It could be Will I Am. It could be Obama. It could be Biden. You
Or-
just have to tell us.
Or
It could be Trump.
the auntie with gastro.
Or it could be you. Can we invite them?
Why not?
Okay, cool. If you want to come and do a Radio 1 Reacts, do let us know in the comments down below. We'll DM you and then you have to send us 5,000 rupees. Okay,
Sounds
bye.
good.
Thanks.
94.3
One world, your station.
Radio 1.